truck camping, deep in Bigfoot and Dogman territory.
Wait.
What was that?
Something just ran across the road up there.
I know, I missed it. Damn it.
Ooh. Something's walking right over here.
Look at that.
Holy smokes.
It's redder than... It's got face, dude. Is that what we just hit? I gotta get my camera on. Hold on.
Holy smokes, what is that thing?
Super tall I just seen over there. It was very tall and skinny.
Hello?
I don't think it's moving.
Okay. So it's just the grass?
It must be. Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! It's charging us! Look at that freaking fog, man. That is crazy.
It's even up. It's like layers of it.
Oh, look at the mist coming by. Holy smokes. Look how thick that fog is.
I rolled my window up, dude. It's pouring in on us.
It is.
What happened the last time it did this?
That's when
That thing chased us, dude.
That's true.
The last time the fog built up like this, we just got... What is that?
Man, if you see if something starts running towards us right now.
That thing was sprinting and then just vanished.
We've been away from the camp for a while, so I'm hoping whatever it is nowhere near it.
That's kind of where I'm afraid we go.
And the fog is gone.
I'm scared. Instantaneous.
Just like that.
If something jumps through your window, that's why I rolled mine up.
I thought I just heard something, some kind of yelling or something. I know. What is that down there on the road? Is that something on the road?
I don't know. I hate this road.
Welcome back to another truly terrifying adventure. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jer Bear. Tonight I am truck camping deep in Bigfoot and Dogman territory. The footage you're going to see throughout the video is different investigations that me and Dee did around the surrounding area. Now, I never got in my normal intro on this one. We were sitting around camp when the strange fog started rolling in and voices were heard coming from it. So we're going to jump right in to where me and Dee go to investigate the fog and voices coming from it. And that's when things just got totally insane and stayed totally insane pretty much the rest of the night. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content, and if you do, make sure to smash that like, hit that subscribe, join the family, and let's get it.
Yeah.
Who the hell is talking?
I don't know. I don't even know if that was English.
Do you need help?
What'd they say?
Dude?
Was that help?
No, I think it said, where are you?
Where are you?
Guys, there's fog. I don't know if you can see
Man,
that.
super duper thick fog.
I don't have my light on. Turn your light off for a second.
It's not coming up good on camera though. Look at that fog's ridiculous.
Oh
It's
God.
above our heads.
We're in it. Are you okay?
I don't think it's somebody needing help.
It's cold.
That's because this fog wrapped. It's right over our heads.
What is happening? Hello?
Look how foggy. That is ridiculous.
What is the 400 that's injured?
I'm trying to hear what they're saying. I don't know what to think about it yet.
The fog is weird, dude. Look at that
Wow, it's rolling right over our heads.
There's my camera. I don't know. We can't see you. You don't have lights. We're not really comfortable with that.
No, look, they don't need help because it'd be frantic. That's something else is going on.
You're right.
That's not like a person needing help. It does not have a come help me feel.
No.
You know, right now, I haven't yelled for them. Right now, they think they might not even know I'm here.
Come closer to us.
Yeah, if they can walk close to us, they don't need help.
Dude, this is the weirdest shit I've ever experienced.
I can't ever tell what they're saying.
I can't make out what they're saying either. The fog's receding, dude.
That's some of the craziest. It's not coming up as good on camera, but it looks nuts.
Above us still. Did we just?
That is so weird. I just seen like a bunch of flickers in the air.
I know. He's getting close.
That was a lot closer.
I got my key just in case. Do you need help? Oh my god, dude, my phone's going all blurry.
Wow, super fog.
What is happening?
That's so crazy.
Dude.
Look at that. Man, this is creepy. Hey, quit going towards that dude, man. I don't feel right about that. They can see our light. If they're, you know what I mean?
Turn your lights out.
They're freaking playing with us.
He's not speaking English at times.
Hey, those trucks are by our trucks.
Our trucks are way down there.
Whoa!
What was that?
Something right behind me.
Dude? It's growling. It's growling.
Huh?
It's growling.
Hey.
Don't stop moving.
Yeah, I need to get my thing out.
Don't pull it out.
Hold on, listen.
What is happening?
Right behind me. Again. That was behind us.
That's just a boat?
They're by our vehicles.
Look, dude, I promise you. There's the barn. They're way on there. If you want to go back, I want to see what this is so bad. I'm so intrigued. This is nuts. I don't know why I'm so drawn to it. I probably should stop. Whatever was stick breaking beside you, dude, was crazy.
That was right behind me too. I don't even know what to say right now. This whole thing feels terrible. Oh.
Going by.
Huh. I know the fog. You can blow it. You're blowing it even.
I know. It's like we're in a fun house or something, dude. I don't get it.
It is very weird. This whole thing is very, very weird.
Something's off, but I am so drawn. Hello!
I don't know why you're so drawn to the guy in the fog. He doesn't need help. I can guarantee you that. This guy does not need our help.
Dude, what if we got ourselves in trouble real bad? I'm sorry.
Got us in trouble. Whoa!
That sounds like a dude dying. That sounds like a dude. But it sounds off.
I don't know. We're definitely not going any closer.
We're not coming any closer. You've got to come to us. If you're able, come to us. Poke up. Let us see your face or something. There's voices coming from that way.
I just heard voices over there. There's nobody out here. That's what I'm saying. How's this dude even back here? My light's not even working.
That sounds weird. It's not. They sound like dogs, but everything sounds off. Why does everything sound off in this fog?
This is like here.
Hello!
Holy smokes, man.
That don't sound right.
What is that? Man, this place is ridiculous. Look, I'm telling you, this is... Look, now he's saying nothing. You know what I mean? This ain't right.
Yes, it's something like
We
those
should get
dogs
back...
that come.
We should get back and bet... Oh. What? Whoa.
What?
Shh.
Listen.
Something's walking our way, man. I'm telling you.
What is that?
I can hear it.
What is that?
What if it's that dude, man? This dude's coming closer.
Look, there's something white standing there staring at us. Straight ahead.
There was something just... You didn't hear that?
I heard some breaking.
Something's walking right back here. Listen. It's so close.
How? The voice was way over there. So how's the other way over here?
There's something right there. Listen.
Hello?
Man, it kept walking our way. It's right there. It's so close. Ooh. Man, I am seeing crap. What is that?
Where's what?
I'm seeing crap all around me now. Something was just like beside me a second ago.
Where's
Yeah.
the fog?
I think we should probably
fog
get
is
back to
gone.
the trucks, man. Because
The
that...
fog is completely gone. Where'd it go?
Man, it was
Maybe
so
it's
thick.
up there by the road? I don't know.
It was super duper thick. It looked like a huge cloud from our
I know.
camp. That's actually pretty close to our camp.
Yeah, you can see
We
the-
got some guy yelling from the fog.
Now it's coming back this way. Those damn dogs been going
Holy
on,
smokes, man.
It was literally not just here.
How is that happening?
It just came back. It was not here a second ago. But guys, look, right here. There's no fog.
Man, this is some of the creepiest fog.
It's creep. Those dogs keep going, dude.
They haven't stopped.
And now the fog's coming back. That is circled. Dude, how? That is so crazy. What could they possibly be nuts over right now?
I know.
I don't know.
I was thinking, are they hunting? They can't be. Are they hunting?
They're bow hunting, maybe.
Just yap.
Dude, look in the field. Is that grass?
Yep,
What
yep.
grass is?
What's that?
What is that? Hello?
Wait a minute.
Dude, it's got shiny eyes.
That thing's moving.
Nah.
I think. Oh, crap.
Nah.
Is that thing moving?
I don't know. I don't remember seeing it. What's it doing? Hello? It's got eyeballs.
I don't think it's moving.
Okay. So it's just the grass?
It must be.
Are you sure? She's scared shit out of me.
Wait a minute. Now it's like this. What?
Go,
Go, go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! It's charging us! I just hurt myself.
Dude, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. That thing was charged.
It's charged. What the hell was that? No lights. Against our lights.
Hold on.
No.
Go, go.
No.
I don't see it. Oh, man.
I didn't think it. Dude, I think I about peed myself. Oh my god.
We got to get back to the truck. Hey, that guy's not yelling anymore.
The dogs.
The dog
The
stopped.
dogs.
Everything stopped.
What the fuck? Did he bring the dogs?
Everything stopped.
Everything stopped.
Go, go. Come on, come on.
It got cold. Dude, it's cold, cold. What was that? Did you smell that?
I did, but my...
Red mushroom. Wow, it smells like poo. Dude, it's cold. That's like a 10, 12 degree difference right here. Dude, I
didn't even know what to think.
At first.
I know.
I didn't know what it was doing. I'm done with this place, dude. I'm over it. Dude, I'm over
I could hear it, too.
What the dog stop?
It's silent.
Nothing. The fog is gone. Completely gone. The fog is gone. The dog stopped.
Everything stopped.
How does that, okay, how does a thing affect the whole atmosphere, man? How's the whole atmosphere being affected by something like that?
I don't know, but I'm having a hard time breathing.
So am I, dude. I can't. I want to go. Oh my god, dude.
Hey,
The eyes on it, man. It was like a cyclops, but it's shiny. Or I don't even know.
oh man, my camera. I haven't...
Are you alright?
I wasn't paying attention to the camera, though. That was probably all terrible as I was walking. Sorry, guys.
Where's the fog? There's a little layer right there, but the fog was gone. The dog's gone. The thing gone. And it drops that many degrees, dude.
I mean, that thing just, it was running. It was like sprinting straight towards us.
What could it have been?
I didn't even know what to think.
I think I about peed myself, dude, to be honest with you. I don't even know if I'm going the right way.
I don't know. I'm sort of lost.
Dude, so am I. I think right around this tree. Oh my god, dude.
Hey, we're camping here.
No, I'm not. I gotta hold myself, dude. I'm about to pee my pants. Oh my god.
I gotta sleep here all night.
I feel like a 3-year-old that's gotta go to the toilet, but I can't. Man, oh, dude, I've never almost peed on myself.
Bonus footage. That wasn't it. We wasn't in.
It's just everything stopped is what I don't understand. The dogs didn't sound right.
No, it still stopped.
The one thing didn't sound right. All the noises sounded off. Now look in the pictures, the fog's back. None of this is making sense.
We got to get back to the truck.
Nothing's making sense. Okay, dude, I'm good. I don't know what to do about that. I don't know why I wanted to go into that fog so bad. It's not like me. I was thinking I needed help, but then you started making sense to me.
I didn't understand any of it.
It's quiet, dead quiet, nothing.
Man, hold on. I just heard
The
it.
fog is back and it's making that noise again now. We ain't falling for it again, dude.
Hey, what if he's tracking us? We don't want it.
It's trying to get us to come back. I don't like that.
That's close.
No. There's another one. I just heard another one. Over to the right, right?
Yeah.
No.
I couldn't tell if that was an owl or a person, though, but that was definitely a person that way.
No, I'm done. I don't know how to get out of here.
I hope it's this way.
Are you leaving? I'm not talking to you. It said, are you leaving?
Is that what it said? I still haven't been able to understand. Should we? I was just going to say, it could be tracking us. I'd rather it think we was going down a different path.
I can see him from here. We can make... Straight ahead. What is that? Do you see him?
I don't see him.
Right there. Do you see that? Hello?
What's going on with this light?
What's going on with the fog?
Man, this light is... all my batteries are dying. I gotta recharge some stuff. Oh,
No.
That's close.
That's right there, dude. No.
Okay.
Dude, it's gonna get us in the car. It's gonna get us right there.
Oh, man.
It's gonna get us before we get this car. And then...
The dogs again. I quit recording for a minute. I was just trying to get back to the
I got
truck.
it on recording.
But now the dogs are back again, too.
Dude, and he's like following us to a freaking car.
That
Whatever
guy's...
that thing is. And you can see the fog's back. When we were back there, the fog was gone. Whatever that is in that fog. It's controlling the fog. It has to be.
That's crazy. Holy smokes, what is that thing? Super tall I just seen over there. It was very tall and skinny.
Hello?
Very tall and skinny. I don't see it now.
What color?
Like brown. Brown, tall, but skinny.
Hello? Now it's just one dog. This is not making sense.
All right, keep moving,
dude.
keep moving.
What? It said something about a car.
I thought it said something about a barn.
The barn? What is that? Dude, look at my...
What is that?
No. Put your light back. What is that? What is that? Hello?
Nah, man. This dude's gonna know where we're parked.
What if it's
Do we get?
the dude that's staying out here? He already knows, but I don't think it's human.
Do we get to make any more turns? No, that's our trucks up there. Crap! Straight shot right to it. Yeah, that's not good.
I can't. I gotta talk off camera. I can't talk. I don't want to say what I want to say on here. It's gonna... Hey.
Yeah, I don't really want to record right now either because I don't know what to say.
I just don't want to fucking...
So as you can imagine, we didn't even feel comfortable being at camp at that moment, so we hopped in the truck to go investigate around the area in hopes that whatever that thing was would be gone by the time we come back.
Yeah, so there's a creepy bridge.
I see this. See what happens. I don't think I can get through it without.
I gotta get this right back up here.
Hold on. Yeah, it is not. We got something really hot right here.
Do you?
That's the hot. It is.
The red's not coming up on my camera though. But yeah, that's something hot right over there. It's right back there, huh? Check this thing out. So we decide on exploring the area some. And this road dead ends to this creepy bridge. Ooh. It's a river. There's a river.
What was this red juice for?
I don't know. It's creepy looking though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. What's on the other side of it?
Trails maybe?
That way. Thermal.
That was a hot spot you were picking up on.
Yeah.
Is it? It's like a road.
It's a biking road. Oh, there's a trail or something.
There's a trail too.
Oh, you don't know.
What's this thing say? Trails to the river. I don't want to go too far from the truck though. Whoop. Man, I got the wrong flashlight right now too. I think a car's coming. I thought I heard a car. Oh, that might be just the water. You good? Gunshot. Gunshot! Man, this place is... Man, so this place is so creepy. There's nobody around. Took a drive from the campsite after whatever was going on with that fall. And that person. I hope the person's gone. That's where I'm going to be sleeping. Ooh. Something's walking right over here.
I just heard something walking right over here. Man, this is the wrong light. Yeah, this flashlight, that's more better. I had the way wrong light. This one's way better. No, not the truck. Did you? I heard something walking right over here. Check that.
What was that?
That was me.
Oh.
Check that out.
Did you reach to this gate over here?
Yeah, there's another gate over there, but it just sounded like I hit something, but nothing was there.
What's that? Hold on. I got something, I think.
On the thermal?
Yeah. Because when they cloak, they're blue. Shoulders, dude. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, I'm trying to get it.
It's right there.
I'm trying to get over there.
Right there. It's moving.
Blow this up a bit.
It looks like it's swaying. Woo! I don't know what it's doing. It's going away. Oh, no, it's not. Look at that.
Holy smokes.
It's redder than... It's got face, dude. Is that what we just hit? I gotta get my camera on. Hold on.
Oh no, let's jump out again. We just
We just thought we hit something.
was just pulling away from the bridge.
We were backing up.
And then it... Huh. You see it? On the thermal? Where's it at?
I don't know. That big tree right in front of you?
Yeah.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4 trees over. It looks like it's behind that big one to the right. But it's darker. There's another one up top in the treetops, dude. 2 smaller ones that are in the tree. I got it recording.
Oh, that leaf scared me.
There's 2 littler ones in the tree.
Man, it really sounded like I hit something. There's a weird, there's like weird markings on my tire, sorta.
Oh, I got a whole back
What in the world?
I don't know, dude. That's crazy. Whatever that is. I don't know. But it sounded like you hit. It felt like you hit something. And it's oranger. It's lighter. I don't know, man. It's so fucking weird. And there's 2 more up to the left. Can you drive real quick?
Yeah.
I want to see,
What, just forwards or?
like in a U, like to the right. I want to see what. Woo! God, there's so much to cover here, dude.
Yeah, there's a lot of ground
It
for
would
sure.
take months and months and months. I think this is good. Get out of the way. is crazy.
It is crazy. I did hear that. That was on your side, though.
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
I know my camera didn't get that. Ooh, crackling over there.
You got a stick break?
Couple stick breaks.
Looks like a thermal was picking up. Okay, there's a quail sitting in the middle of the field with this little ice coming over here to the right. Watch me get knocked. Hi, honey. Are you okay? Huh? I don't want to hurt you. Are you hurt? Honey, you gotta be on guard. Something's weird. Stick break.
The eyes were
The eyes were in the ground,
right over in here.
down in here, and that thing was just sitting there stunned like that.
It was like
It
hypnotized.
was not doing anything, dude. That was freaky.
That was weird, man.
That was the weirdest shit I've ever seen.
All right, so it is getting much later. Probably. I just heard a voice. I did. Down there. Do you hear him? Quit hollering at people. Hey, it's going to be hard sleeping. I was just going to say, I just seen lights flickering down on the end of that road.
Last time we heard voices, it didn't go well, dude.
What am I seeing? There's sparklies all around me. What is that?
I can't move. I'm charging.
Sparklies. Oh, that was you?
Yeah.
That scared me.
Some guy just yelled help.
Yeah, we know how that ended last
I'm
time.
not doing that again.
Heck no. Truck camping, deep in Bigfoot and Dogman territory. With do you think that was a person? What do you think that was? Earlier that charged us.
No, it didn't have a form. It was like trying to make a form, but it was like a blob, and then it was tall, and then it was short and small, big.
That's why I didn't even think.
It was all different sizes. It was weird.
I thought it was a bush at first.
Yeah, well, when you said it was grass, that's what I assumed. And it got darker.
Oh man, my heart's actually, my blood pressure's rising just thinking about it.
That's a woman.
That's crazy. We couldn't have picked a creepier place to
I told you this place is the
camp.
bomb, man.
We could still end up freaking attacked. Make sure your stuff's locked up good.
Yeah, well, your door was open.
Well, I didn't even document that. We came back from. There's people in the woods. How is that possible? Feral. That's a terrifying thought. From here, me and Dee, we get a fire going. We get something in our bellies before heading out on the next adventure, where my friend Dee actually gets attacked. The link to that video will be in the description. You'll want to check it out. Needless to say, after that, she did not stay the night. So it was just me there next to the screams and the crazy fog and something that attacks you all night long. It was not very easy to sleep at all. All right, this is scary. It's going to be hard falling asleep. Alright, so I have no idea how this video turned out. We investigated a lot of different parts. And whatever came running out of that fog, that was just right down there. Real close to where we're at. Car. What in the world was that? Man, do I even have the doors locked? I keep seeing things like outside the windows, like little movements, but I can't tell with the lights on. Do I hear that car again? Anyway, I'm getting the lights off. I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. If you did, do me a favor. Smash that like. It lets YouTube know I'm doing a decent job. If anything crazy happens, I'll get the camera back on. And until next time, peace. Love you guys.